What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. So in today's video we're going to talk about the two Untether vulnerabilities that have been released for iOS 14 and so on, which can be used in order to create an untethered jailbreak. Now they come from the SPV account in here, and initially I didn't want to make a video about these because you're going to see in a couple of seconds. They're not fake or anything like that, but the information about them is not exactly complete, so it's bound to confuse a lot of people. Now a lot of you have indeed tagged me in here, so now I would definitely have to make a video because you do tag me a lot in these. Alright, so what has been posted here? They said, quote, a better release will hopefully come later, but for those who are interested, this code should work. Enjoy. 2 Untethered bugs are included, should support 9.x to 14.x, no full jailbreak released yet, no kernel exploit drop, obviously. So they posted this just in here, containing the bugs themselves, bug 2 and bug 3. And they apparently include some symlinking to different files and so on in the file system to somehow bypass platform application. Well, not exactly sure what's going on here. I'm gonna be honest with you, not a lot of information is provided in here. For me, these seem to be cool but incomplete for the moment. Somehow I don't believe these are perfectly usable for a jailbreak. However, they said in here, quote, better release tomorrow, but for now I released part of the method. So it's meant to be incomplete, just to provide a little bit of information on what they have. Now the reason I actually didn't want to make a video about it is because SPV has indeed tackled the untethered releases in the past, and they have released something that looked like an untethered. It did have some persistence, some way to auto start an application after a reboot if there is no passcode set. However, that was far from a real untether, and somehow they have damaged their reputation by overhyping that. So now I am a little bit reluctant that this will be anything better than that, and if it will be, I'm actually reluctant it will be used in a jailbreak. However, it has been released and it does indeed look real. It does look like a bug that would actually work, however it is indeed incomplete. So for those of you who are asking me questions, no, this doesn't mean we're going to get a jailbreak untethered from SPV, because from what I can see, while they do know iOS a fair bit, they're not exactly jailbreak developers with experience, so we may not see a proper jailbreak from them, at least not in the near future. I definitely hope I'm going to be proven wrong, but this is my opinion at the time with the data that I currently have. However, if you're looking for an untethered jailbreak, you should still wait for Linus Henze. They will release a kernel exploit and an untether that will work for iOS up to iOS 14.5.1, which would definitely be great. This will be released on October 21, so basically next month, as open source. With this, we will finally be able to create an untethered jailbreak for iOS 14.5.1, 14.5, 14.4, 14.4.1, 14.4.2, 14.3 and so on. Which means that we will be able to finally make Taurine jailbreak and Uncovered jailbreak to be fully untethered, which means that you only have to run them once, and that's basically it. You don't have to resign them, you don't have to keep reinstalling them, and no expiration after 7 days. And the jailbreak will keep re-enabling itself after reboot until you disable it. So yeah, Linus Henze's vulnerability is much heavier than this one in here, and this one doesn't really seem complete anyways, so I wouldn't put my hopes on this one. It looks cool, it's an interesting gist, but it doesn't seem complete or significant for jailbreak purposes to me. What is indeed significant for an untethered jailbreak is the vulnerability that will be released by Linus Henze along with a kernel exploit. These will definitely put the base for Taurine or Uncover Untethered. This one in here may or may not help. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope I clarified it now. SPV, while a good developer, I'm sure, they are not trusted in the community as being advanced developers who can build a jailbreak, let alone an untethered jailbreak. They did find some bugs, but I'm not sure they are complete or usable in a jailbreak setting. So yeah, until proven otherwise, I would say don't mind that for the moment. So yeah, thank you for watching. I am Geosnow. Till the next time, peace out.